Hi, good evening. My name is Elizabeth Gonzalez, and I'm going to try to explain to you tonight and the people that I have gathered here some of the important things we need to do in our daily life in order to avoid chemicals and to avoid food and drinks that affects our health. I want to start by saying that our body is composed in a 75% by water. And we need to replenish that water every day. But what kind of water are we going to drink? For sure, we don't want to drink tap water. Tap water, or public waters are contaminated, and the government knows exactly what is happening with our waters. It contains arsenic, it contains chlorine, it contains fluoride, and all of those chemicals are extremely dangerous to our health. The point that we have the fluoride can cause extremely complications in our health, in our thyroids, in our lungs, in our cardiovascular system, not to mention in our neurological system. Also, we have that chlorine produced disinfects bioproducts that when they're mixed with organic matter, it produces something that is called, I have it here, it's a name a little complicated, but the name is thihylomethanes, or also known as DBPs. It's a form of disinfection byproducts. The government standards are 80 ppb, which is part per billions, and it's just it's a very high number. Just with a smaller number, we can have a huge number of diseases that are damaging our people, and it's causing a lot of complications in our kids and in our people. Also, we have that the standards of arsenic found in public waters are 50 ppbs, which is just also 50 parts per billion of arsenic, and just 10 ppbs can cause harm to our bodies. The fluoride, it's very bad when it's taken internally. It can cause diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, anemia, immune disorders, reproductive disorders, and in conclusion, we can say that we need to drink water, but just water that is being filtered, not regular tap water. And just in Florida, I can tell you that our water has 73 ppbs of this disinfection byproduct, which is very close to what is the standards. That's why they say that it's very safe to drink tap water. But in conclusion, we should not drink this type of waters. We should go for filtered water, especially for pregnant women. Another thing that we have to take into consideration is the type of food that we eat. We need to eat organic food. We need to avoid pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. These things are extremely dangerous to our body. These are chemicals that are not easily digested or processed by our body. We need to avoid eating genetic and engineered foods, and also animals, protein animals that have been fed with this type of grains. Another thing that I can tell you that it's important that we should not eat at all is artificial sweetener. We should not consume artificial sweetener because they are made in a lab, and it's something that is very far from nature. When we eat things that are not natural, our body cannot metabolize those. The last thing, or the last topic I want to mention tonight is the MSG, or monosodium glutamate. Monosodium glutamate is another chemical that we find in our food. For example, I just found this dressing that it looks like very healthy. It's light. It says that it has 40% fewer calories and 50% less fat. So anybody that is looking for something healthy that won't make them fat, they will purchase this product. Now, when you look at the ingredients in this dressing, you can find that it has monosodium glutamate. This is a flavor enhancing that you can find in a lot of products, but also in fast food. You can find it in different spices in the supermarket. We have to be very careful with the use of this product because because it is a lab created thing, it's not easily metabolized for our body. It stays in our cells, in our fat cells, for a long time, and we're seeing a lot of different health problems after the use of this ingredient. As you know, we have to be very careful what we eat, with what we eat and what we drink. It's not just drink water or eat any type of food. We have to watch very carefully what we put in our bodies, because our health is our precious treasure. I also wanted to inform you that if you want to deep into this topic, you can visit www.mercola.com, and also you can check the page for the Organic Consumer Association. You can find more information about this or these things that I've been talking about, and it's going to be something that you're going to use for the rest of your life. And I hope that you can understand the dangers hidden in products and in things that we use daily that can harm our health. Thank you.